Mm-hmm.
Let's just go in to take a shower.
Get all clean?
Yes. Because he got all dirty.
Doing what? How'd he get so dirty?
Because he got on fire.
Oh, no.
Now it's Pete. Now it's Pete. The tank engine. The tank engine.
Uh-oh.
Now this one can take a shower. Now this one. Might you see this? Might you see that soap?
Yep.
That is a washing cloth
Mm-hmm.
to wash our hands. Well, you put that way down the stream. Yeah, I must spray it. I put some ice cream on it. Like this is an ice cream cone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, please eat it. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Just watching you play.
Why?
'Cause it's fun to watch you play.
Oh, I forgot. It's so funny in here. It's so funny in here. It's so funny in here. It's so funny in here, Mommy. It's so funny in here.
It is?
It's quiet.
It is quiet.
And you know what? Uh-oh, where's Daddy?
I think he went to get some fruit.
Uh-oh, they leaved us.
Yeah, 'cause we're going to play trains.
Oh. Like, go knock them trains down.
Oh, no.